Good morning to one and all present over here. Today, myself Siddharth Singh of class 11th A presenting a book review in front of you. The title of my book is Homi J. Bhabha. Author of this book is Biman Nath, published by Niyogi Books. This book consists of 171 pages. The price of this book is 300 rupees. So, Homi Jahangir Bhabha was born on 30 October 1909 in a Parsi family. His father was Jahangir Hormuzji Bhabha and his mother name was Meher Bai Bhabha. He received his early studies as Bombay's Cathedral and John Kennan School and entered Elphinstone College at age 15 after passing his senior Cambridge examination with honor. His studies in mathematics provided him to obtain the first class on his mechanical science Tripos exam. Bhabha set the Tripos exam in June 1930 and passed with first class honor. Meanwhile, he worked at the Cavendish Laboratory while working towards his PhD in theoretical physics. During this time, nuclear physics was attracting the greatest mind and it was one of the most significant emerging fields. He has now started his research in physics with all his dedication. In 1935, Bhabha published a paper in which he performed the first calculation to determine the cross-section of electron-positron scattering. Was later named Bhabha scattering in his honor. Starting his career in nuclear physics, he had to return to India due to World War II. Therefore, he remained in India and accepted a post of reader in physics at IIS Bangalore, headed by C.V. Raman. His ambition, farsightedness, and enterprise shaped the development of modern science in India. Understanding the need of achieving self-reliance, he laid the framework of nuclear physics in India by founding the Tata Institute of Fundamental Research and Atomic Energy Establishment, Bombay, later renamed Bhabha Atomic Research Center in his honor. Bhabha was awarded with Adams Prize in 1942 and Padma Bhushan in 1954. Being an able scientist and administrator, Bhabha was also a painter and a classical musician and an open enthusiast. Besides being an amateur botanist, he is one of the most prominent scientists that India has ever had. Bhabha also encouraged in electronics, space science, radio astronomy, and microbiology. This book has personally inspired me and also increased my curiosity towards science. His real hard work, dedication, passion towards research, and his legendary leadership in organizing scientific research in India makes him a different from others. The work done by this great scientist is an inspiration for upcoming generation as well. Thank you and have a nice day.